This might be one of the craziest AI tools I have tested that creates professional commercial photos. Imagine taking a simple product photo like this one and turning it into a professional studio image in just a few seconds. No camera crew, no expensive lighting setup, and no Photoshop skills required. I recently discovered an AI tool called Claid AI, and what it can do with a basic photo is honestly surprising. Let me show you how it works. This is Claid AI, and I've left the link in the description below. Once you sign in, you'll see a simple dashboard with all the available features. The process starts by uploading your product image. This could be a photo from your phone, a supplier image, or even a messy picture with a bad background. The goal is to turn it into something that looks ready for an e-commerce store. So I'm going to upload this image of a headset. Once it loads, you get several powerful options to work with. Right now, it has a white background, but before we transform it, we need to remove it so we can place it in different environments. I'll select the background remover, leave the settings as default, and generate. In just a few seconds, the background is gone, and the product is now perfectly isolated and ready to use. Now from the left panel, we get different options to take this product to the next level. I'm going to select AI Photo Shoot. Here you have multiple settings to work with, and don't forget to set your aspect ratio depending on where you want to use the image. Under generation modes, you'll see options like precise, creative, inspiration, background, and product swap. But for this workflow, I'll choose creative. As you can see below, it already gives a prompt, but you can easily tweak it. For example, instead of holding, I'll change it to putting on, since this is a headset. Claid AI also lets you generate up to 4K resolution for high-quality results. For images per output, I recommend setting more than one, so you get multiple variations to choose from. Now I'll generate. In a few seconds, we get 4 different results. The first one looks really good. The product stays consistent, and the model looks realistic while putting on the headset. The second one also looks great, just with a different angle and energy. Looking at the third and fourth, I personally like the third result the most. The pose, the placement, and the overall vibe feel more natural and professional. And this is exactly why generating multiple variations is important. It gives you better options to choose from. You can download any of these images directly to your device and use them for your store or content. And it does not stop there. We can even turn this image into a video with a single click. From the top right here, click on Animate, and the image to video panel will open on the left. Claid AI uses artificial intelligence to analyze the image and automatically generate a motion prompt. You can tweak it if you want, but I'll leave it as it is to see how the result turns out. I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and generate. Alright, let's take a look. The head movement and overall body motion look very natural. The facial expressions are convincing, and you can clearly tell she's listening to music and moving to the rhythm. I even added some audio, and the final result looks amazing. Instead of a static photo, we now have a short animated clip that feels like it was filmed in a real studio. This is perfect for social media ads, e-commerce listings, and promotional videos because it instantly makes your product look more professional and eye-catching. In just a few steps, we went from a simple phone photo to a polished product image, and now to a dynamic product video ready to use anywhere. This eliminates the need to hire designers or spend hours editing in Photoshop. You can achieve high-quality results in seconds without spending a lot of money. Claid AI also has many other powerful features we did not cover, so I encourage you to explore the platform and push it to its limits. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description below and experiment with your own product images. And if you enjoy discovering powerful AI tools like this that can transform your workflow, make sure you subscribe. I test new AI tools every week to help you work faster, create better content, and stay ahead of the curve.